2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. Your new ride is just a phone call away.